gonna try one. Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Hope everything is well with you. Today we are going to make rice fritters. So for that we will need rice, flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, vanilla and flour. If you don't have this one, you can use vanilla extract or vanilla essence. We need orange extract, water and milk. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Alright, first of all we're gonna start by cooking the rice and then combine everything together. Cook it into low heat until the rice is soft. So here guys, and my rice is cooked. Perfect. Okay, I put it off the stove. Now I'm going to mix in sugar. Put some baking powder, vanilla, saving my flour. So I'm gonna do. Now you want your mixture to your butter, you can call it like that, to cool down. So what I did, just put grease paper on a tray and spread it. I'm gonna let it like this cool down. And here we are guys, I transferred my rice, it's already cold, really cold. I'm going to spread flour on the tray just to have my rice not to stick on the tray. It's gonna make it easier for me to fry it. Oh, there we have a trick. You need to put your hand in the water. It's gonna help the rice not sticking on your hand. I'm gonna take a spoonful. I don't really like making it big. See how sticky it is. When we roll it in, when you roll it in the flour, it's gonna be really good. I'm gonna show you the last one, then I'm gonna go off camera to the remaining one. Some people do it balls, but I love doing it like this. And here we are guys, I finished making the shape. Now I'm gonna roll it in the flour. So what I'll do, I'll just put the flour on top to help me roll it without it sticking on my finger. Okay. I'll do the rest and then I'll go deep fry it. Okay, I'm going to start frying my first batch. I need to be really careful to break it. I'm going to melt some chocolate. I'm gonna eat it with chocolate. My chocolate is done. For me, I prefer with chocolate, but it depends. With the chili, it's good, but the taste is really good with chocolate. It does taste really nice with chocolate. You can get it with peanut.